How do I actually decide on pricing? Or what actually influences pricing? So I can name a few factors here which are really important to bear in mind, and we'll discuss it in more details in our next video on just pricing itself. So I would say the most popular factor that influences my pricing strategy and the selling price that the consumer has to put up with is cost of production. Then it's alternative goods. Then it's price of competitors. Then it's the target audience. Low income, high income. And then these are the most irritating, I find them the most irritating personally. Then there are the external factors, such as governmental policies, laws, and economic situation. So when it comes to pricing, when you pop that question, what should be the price of my product that will actually ensure me some profit, would sell itself, will be affordable, people will actually be willing to pay that, it's sitting in a proper position if it's compared with competitors' prices and products. So it's a pretty tough process if you ask me.